7 divided by 7 divided by 7 divided by 7. Now, in seeing this problem, you may go 7 divided by 7 is 1. 7 divided by 7 here is 1. 1 divided by 1 is 1. But that would be incorrect. Let's fix this. Now, in order to solve this equation, we have to remember our order of operations. And the only thing it's asking us to do is divide. But in that order, according to the order of operations, we have to start over here on the left and go to the right. So if you start this division here or here, you're going to get the problem wrong. We have to start here first. So 7 divided by 7 equals 1. And I'll bring the rest of the problem down. Again, we have to come to the left part of the equation here, and we're going to do 7 divided by 1. This can simply be written as 1 over 7. Then we'll bring the rest of the equation down. Now this part can be a little tricky because we're dividing a fraction. To do this, we need to understand keep, change, flip. What this tells us is that we're going to keep 1/7. We're going to change the operation to multiplication, and then we're going to flip this fraction, which would be 7 over 1. We're going to flip it to 1 over 7. And then we just multiply the fraction straight across. 1 times 1 is 1. And 7 times 7 is 49. The answer to our equation today is 149.